Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this lab session I will do the lab exercise number 6. Okay, and this is basically configuring the PP with PAP. So the meaning of the PP means point to point protocol, and PAP means PAP is the password authentication protocol. Okay, now see, if you see the diagram in the Cisco packet tracer, are the router and how many switches we are used. So there is a 2 router and 2 switch and 4 PCs. Okay, so if you see here, then there is a router. I have used 281. So we write here 2, take 2811. Okay, and 2811 here also, and we have to take the switch. So take the switch 2960. After this we have to take PC. So here there is a 4 PC, PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3. Okay, now I want to make the connection. So you have to take same copper straight cable, and here take a fast Ethernet 0, 1. Similarly PC1 also. PC2 from switch, PC3 also. Okay, now from router to router they have used the serial cable. So before adding the cable, first add the port. So we go here, and before adding the port we have to off the router. Okay, then add the port, then on the router. Similarly also this router also we have to add the port. Before adding the port we have to off the switch of the router, then add the port. Okay, now we have added the port. Now on the router. Okay, now put the here in the diagram, this is the router 1, so rename, this is the router 2. Okay, now we will make the connection serial cable. Okay, so see it take better, take serial 00, and here also take serial 0. Okay, now here this use the fast Ethernet, and here also same router second also we have to take the cable fast Ethernet and add the fast Ethernet. Okay, now we have make the diagram. Now go for the configuration. So this is the addressing table. So in this addressing table, first we go through this addressing table, give the IP address of the PCs. Okay, so PC0, go desktop, IP configuration. Okay, what is the IP address? 192.168.1.126. This is subnet mask .128, default gateway 192.168.1. Okay, so I have given the IP address of the first PC. Similarly, go PC2, desktop, IP configuration, and give the IP address 192.168.1.125. give 128, and default gateway 192.168.1.1. Okay, I have given the IP address these two PC. Now go PC2. This IP address 192.168.1.254. This 128. This 192.168.1.129. Okay, so is this correct? Okay, now go third PC, give IP address 192.168.1253. 128 default gateway 192.168.1.129. Now I have given the all IP address to all the PC. Okay, now go one by one give the IP address to router configuration. So this is the first router. Go CLI, here write N. Okay, then follow the same command what is given in the lab manual. Okay, config terminal interface F00. Now you can copy here IP address. No shutdown, exit, then give IP address serial interface. Then you can copy the same IP address. Then write clock rate. Okay, then no shutdown. Now exit, then shutdown. Exit, no shutdown. No, after the interface. Okay, then no shutdown. Okay, now we have given the IP. Now we have to give the IP route. Now we have finished the configuration, and now minimize this. Now go for the second router. Okay, go CLI, enable, then config terminal interface 0, then give same IP address. No shutdown, in exit, int S00. Okay, IP address 28. No, sorry, this is not copy. Again copy, because this is copy. the previous one. This is overlap. Understand or not why it is overlap? Because this same copy I have the previous interface lab. Now it is clear. Okay, now no shut down exit, then give the IP route. Now we have finished the IP route. Okay, now we have given the configuration of the both IP address, both router. Now we are going to configure now on the PPP, point to point protocol, each router and PAP, password authentication protocol. Okay, so go again inside the first router. Okay, and already we have enabled, and give this username and password. The username, this copy the command. Sorry, this is not copy. 1 minute. We have to copy this command. Cisco, then interface S00, then we have to provide encapsulation this command. PPP, and after this finish command, go copy this command and paste here. Okay, now I have finished router 1 PPP and PAPP command. Okay, after this we will go same thing we will do in the side the router 2. So for router 2, this is this. Okay, same is here, and same copy the password. Then interface serial 00, then encapsulation PPP, authentication with PAP command. After this paste this. Okay, now we have finished all the configuration regarding the PPP and with PAP. Okay, now we are going to check whether our configuration is working or not working. Okay, so we will send the message and we will check it is work or not work. Okay, so now we are going to check whether our message successfully sent or not. Okay, so first we will check router to router, this is successful, then PC to another PC is successful. Now from another PC also same PC successful. Now again here sent to, yeah. So alhamdulillah it is working. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this lab session. Okay, bye.